What's up guys, welcome to PENTA TUBE. Today we are going to unbox the Kodak Android TV. This Kodak TV is exclusively manufactured in India. Firstly, let us see the box overview. Firstly, towards the front we have 4K HDR, Kodak LED TV, 43 inches Android TV, and here we can see the supporting partners like Netflix, YouTube, Dolby, DTS, Prime Video and Bluetooth. This also has Google Assistant support with built-in Chromecast and also Google Play services. Towards the side we can see some features, manufacturing details and also the price details. Coming to the price details, it is 37,999 Indian currency. This TV has the bezel-less design for better viewing experience. This TV runs on MediaTek quad-core processor. Kodak TVs are designed in New York and exclusively made in India. This TV has new technology called MEMC, which is motion estimation, motion compensation, for better viewing experience. This has 30 watts bottom firing speakers for immense sound quality. As I said before, this TV is supported with Google Assistant. So now without wasting your time, let's unbox this. Towards the back of the TV we can see some warnings and precautions. The power consumption is 100 watts. And here I have connected the jocks for dish setup. And now let me just show you the contents inside the box. Here we have two metallic stands, a package, few connecting jocks. Now let me just open the package. Here we have the remote, quick start guide, user manual and the warranty card. Here we have the wall mount and few screws for wall mounting. They also provided batteries. Let us fix the metallic stands. Meanwhile, let me just show you the ports. Here we have the digital audio input, LAN port, 3 HDMI ports along with 2 USB ports, an antenna and a AV in input. And down there we have a control button and 30 watt speaker. Now let us power on the Kodak TV. The TV started booting up. Meanwhile, let us remove the protecting film. By the way, do you guys know the difference between 4K HDR and normal TV? Here you can see the image portraying the difference between 4K HDR and normal. I am connecting internet to watch some content. This is the home screen where you can see many applications. Let us now open YouTube and know about the sound and picture quality. As you can see, the picture quality is good, and because it is 30 watt speaker, the sound is also excellent. It also has Dolby support. By the way, the remote is connected via Bluetooth. From the home screen we can connect to Wi-Fi and move on to settings. And here you can connect your Bluetooth devices and also change settings like language, keyboard, sound and etc. Coming to the OS, it runs on Android Pie operating system, where the Android version is 10. And this runs on latest security patch. By clicking on remote and accessories option, you can connect to any Bluetooth device. Here in the home screen you have many apps and you can also install more applications from Google Play Store. This is the latest Bluetooth 5.0 Kodak remote where you have dedicated hotkeys for Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube and etc. The best part is you also have voice control in this remote. So guys, this is the review of Kodak TV. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you end up liking my content, a sub to the channel would be great. Please like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.